ready as a mask to hide. The silent tears you cry and the fear you cannot deny. The pressure to always make us smile has become a heavy burden. A burden has to bow. Oh, Kwajon Cancer, son of Ajafra, in Cancer Namikesie, you worked so hard for this fame, but little did you know the cost to pay for every moment. On this throne of stardom, your private life is now a luxury you have lost. Every move becomes a subject to debate, and your mistake becomes a headline for all to know. Levin has done this, Levin has done that. Kwajo, this is the weight of fame, but you still stand through it all like warrior you are. A true entertainer who has vowed to never fall. You are a beacon of hope. Before we rise to judge, before we point fingers, let us remember, behind the fame is a person just like us, a person with a story to claim, a life with struggles like our own. Behind the name Lewin is not a perfect man, but a human like us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh my God. Oh, the director of soccer, what a camera. Oh my God. Oh. Obviously, let me see what's it. Your boss, my baby. Oh, Doctor, don't cast away. Come see the brand new I say, I'm a practice. What come as a mina, Eddie, mommy? Oh, because you open up me as a hey, or no quantity. Yamitiasi.